Hello, what is up everyone, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have my second most anticipated Majorette model, which is the Lamborghini Sian FKP 37 from the deluxe cars. Let's go ahead and open this up. So here it is, the Lamborghini Sian FKP 37 in this army green here. Honestly, looks pretty great. Now I know this particularly casting, I mean the Lamborghini Sian FKP 37 has been used for many brands such as Hot Wheels, Atomica, what else? I don't think Mini GT has done this. I'm not sure. I think Hot Wheels and Atomica only. But yeah, now Mini GT, Majorette has joined the group, but this time they've made it with opening parts, which makes it much more good. So let's take a look at the casting here. So here it is, Lamborghini Sian FKP 37. First of all, wheels look kind of odd, but still it's quite fine and nice. So supposedly there's suspension for this, and once you look at that, there is a bit of suspension for the front and a bit of from the back. Moving on, and then yeah, some black trim here, number 63 here at this side spoiler. For the opening parts, as you can see, you have butterfly doors, which kinda go up here. Which yeah, you can kinda see the interior there a bit. Yeah, looks pretty nice. The other opening part is with this. You can see there's a little knob right here, which you can use your fingernail and just pull it up just like that. Because normally you would take like the spoiler and just push it up, but since it does not come with the spoiler, they just use that little tab. Yeah, I would say it's sort of like a tab where you pull on it, and yeah, it opens up the back, which kind of see the inside there. I'm not sure you can see it or not. Yeah, there it is. That's the back. There's the spoilers, some rear lights. Going on to the front, similar to Hot Wheels, what they've done, they have the headlights right there, which kind of looks like a Y. If you look at it from this angle right there, looks like a Y shape. Lamborghini logo over there. And if you close back everything, yeah, that's what it would look like. Moving on to the base, says Majorette. The size is 1/66 scale, a bit less bigger, I guess. Yeah. And then Lamborghini Sian FKP 37, made in Thailand. Overall, interesting looking casting, but there's one problem with this, which is it's too high off the ground. I mean, like, sure, it's a hypercar of some sort, but it might be too high from the ground. You could kind of see it. I mean, you compare the you take the front bumper, and you could see that it's way far from the ground. That's the only issue with this. Overall, the other parts are just great. I love the opening doors. I like that it looks like this. It's kind of similar to a Majorette McLaren Senna that you've previously seen. especially where you can open the back. There you go. Oh, don't close the door. Yeah, it looks great. Overall, looks pretty nice. So this actually had two colors. One was this in this army green, another one was in that sort of like blue, I guess. Well, this army green had only one, so I picked this one instead of that. Well, it's sort of like a blue, I guess you would say that, or maybe it's more like cyan. But I decided to take this color because, well, you know, the Lamborghini Sian, their signature color would obviously be this. But yeah, overall it's a great looking car, a great looking designed car. Overall, nice hypercar. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.